For this video, we are going to be pressing pressure points that are midway between the tip of the shoulder and the base of the neck. So for me, that point is right about here. Now, when we go to do this, it helps if you stabilize your arm. You can begin on either side, and we're going to find that point and just press it a little bit. If you stabilize your arm, it helps you get a little more leverage on that point. Now, you don't have to press it too hard, because what we're going to be doing is holding it. And again, you can hold it with these three fingers, so you're not straining your fingers too much. So we hold it, right? And then what we're going to be doing is very gently tilting the opposite way, just a little bit. You feel that? So what's happening is when I hold the point, I'm helping to stretch the muscle and also relieve the tension out of it. Now, if you have severe neck troubles, just do a little bit at a time, right? All of our motions are slow. Nothing is quick or jerky. Then do the same thing on this side. So we'll find that spot. It's right about midway between the base of the neck and the shoulder, right about here on me. So I got my three fingers. I'm going to hold, right? Hold my elbow, and then I'm going to just tilt this way. And if you need to adjust where you're holding over here so that you really feel the stretch, go ahead and do that. Now you notice I'm stretching a little bit sideways and just a little bit sort of side front ways. And you'll see, if you try that, how the muscles really will stretch both ways. Now let's switch sides again. Then switch sides again, holding, tilting, gently, slowly. Now, give your arms a break. We're going to add our humming exercise. Now, when we use sound and pressure together, we're basically hitting the muscle from both sides. So from the inside with the sound, and from the outside with our physical pressure. And we're going to find out, will this help us to relieve the tension? And sometimes, will it help us relieve the pain? Let's find out. So we got our three fingers. We found our point. We're holding the elbow. And we're going to take a breath in. And then hum. And tilting, right? Back up to the center. Breath in. Press. Good. Let's switch. These three fingers in the middle, hold your elbow. It's kind of like the game of Twister, right? We're going to take a breath. Good. Very slowly. When we're moving the head and when we're tilting, we're always moving very slowly. Just roll your shoulders a little bit. You can arch your back if that's comfortable. If you're able to just tilt the neck gently And then tip it forwards gently. Notice how the neck feels now as compared to at the beginning of the exercise. And let's take a breath. Good job.